Hey everyone, it's Sarah at Repeat Crafter Me, and I'm going to show you how to crochet these cute little hands. This is for the 10th page of my Earth Day Crochet Quiet book. If you've been following along, you will see that page 10 is 10 tiny fingers. So I'm just going to show you how to crochet the right hand, and then it's basically just the pattern flipped around to do the left hand, and I will have the pattern written down in the blog post on repeatcrafterme.com. So let's get started on the right hand. I'm using Bernat Super Value yarn. This is color, I think, oatmeal. But of course, skin colors come in all shades, so feel free to use whatever yarn you would like for your hands. And we are just gonna start, I have my size H hook. We're gonna start by chaining 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna single crochet in the second chain from hook and the rest of the way down. There's a single crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, that's our pinky finger. Now we're gonna chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're gonna single crochet in the first 3, and we're gonna half double crochet in the last 3. So you start with the second chain from hook. So we're gonna do 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 half double crochets, which will bring us to the end of that chain. Okay, now something you will need to do, just stretch out the tip of the yarn, or the tip of the fingers, and stretch out the yarn a little bit, just so they're gonna lay flat. Okay, now we are gonna chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're gonna single crochet in the second chain from hook. So we're gonna single crochet 4, and then we're gonna half double crochet in the last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now half double crochet. Okay, and then we have our middle finger. Let's, again, spread out your yarn a little bit, stretch it out so your finger lays flat. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and make the pointer finger the same as your ring finger. So we're gonna chain 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So single crochet in the second chain from hook in the first 3. 1, 2, 3, and now half double crochet in the last 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, pointer finger done. Now we are going to make the thumb. We are going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We are going to half double crochet in the third chain from hook. I'm sorry, not the third. Yeah, third chain from hook. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we're going to half double crochet again in that next chain. And then we're going to double crochet in the next 2. Okay. And I'm going to leave that last chain unworked because there's always more space between your thumb and your pointer finger. Okay, so now we have our little wiggly fingers, okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work this way to make the hand portion. So I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet along the bottom of the fingers. And you're going to want to make a total of 10 single crochets. So chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet just in that bottom of that double crochet stitch, And then I'm going to single crochet in these spaces. That's 1, 2, or that's 3 single crochets. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'm just going to make 1 single crochet right here in the pinky for my 10th single crochet, chain 1 and turn. Okay, we're going to single crochet over the first 2. Or, sorry, single crochet decrease over the first 2. Then we're going to single crochet in the next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet decrease over the last 2. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet decrease over the first 2. Single crochet in the next 4. Okay, and then we're going to single crochet decrease over the last 2. Chain 1 and turn. Now we're just going to single crochet all the way across for the next 2 rows. So it should be a total of 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 1, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 1 and turn. Now we're going to single crochet decrease, single crochet in the next 2, single crochet decrease in the last 2, chain 1, turn, and we're just going to make 2 single crochet decreases. Okay, now we're going to chain 1, and I'm just going to single crochet along the edge just until I get to the bottom of that pinky. Was that my pinky? That's my pinky finger. So I chained 1, and now I'm just gonna make single crochets along this edge kind of randomly, just so the edge looks nice. And then I'm just gonna join it right there to the bottom of the pinky. Okay. Now what you have to do now is clip off your yarn. Okay. And then we're going to rejoin it over on this side because I want this edge to look nice too. So I'm just going to rejoin my yarn just right here at the bottom of my thumb. And join. And then I'm just going to chain 1. And I'm just going to start to single crochet along this edge. And then when you get down to these nice single crochets along the bottom, just join. Okay. Leave a fairly long tail because you're probably going to be using this as an applique. Okay. We can fix that later. I kind of snagged it a little. All right. So here we are. Flatten out, kind of pull the yarn a little bit, get your little fingers looking like they're going in the right direction. Spread out the tips a little bit. And there you have it, an adorable little crochet hand applique.